Yo, make sure you got your paperwork straight. I got Mickey the Truth.
Let's get one thing clear. This your girl, Mickey Truth. South Carolina, 803 to be exact. What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Mickey Truth, aka the Queen of Paperwork, and I am back with another video. As always, all information contained in this video is for entertainment, educational purposes only. All information used in this video is per the Fair Use Act, and any conclusion that you draw is on you, not me. So
the loudest is the weakest. Give a fuck about what they scream.
what's up, Truth Team? So, as I told y'all the other night, that the fourth suspect in the Julio Foolio case has been arrested, okay? By Tampa police. Remember, he was already arrested in Jacksonville. Well, he appeared in court, and we're about to react to it. So, with that being said, let's tap in and see exactly what was going on. What are they going to say? Shout out to Law and Crime for holding it down on the footage. So, let's get into it.
Good afternoon. This is the first appearance document of the 13th Judicial Circuit for Hillsborough County. Let me take appearances for the state in the courtroom.
Melissa Massari.
For the public defender in the courtroom.
Alex Gavin.
Ruffin Hunt.
At Falkenberg, please.
Sarah White.
And at Orient.
Jensen Keeler.
The interpreter for the record, please.
David Cantillo, certified court interpreter.
Mr. Cortillo, have you been sworn today?
Yes, I have.
All right, so we'll do the colloquy in English and Spanish. We'll take a couple of cases and I'll call you right back up,
Yes,
okay? All right, this is the first appearance docket for the 13th Judicial Circuit in Hillsborough County. Florida law requires you're brought before a judge within 24 hours of being arrested to have your bond set on any charges against you and to establish any other conditions of your release. When I call your name, please stand.
So, this is bond court, not the arraignment. I believe the arraignment is still on September 5th, if I'm not mistaken.
And I'll read the charges against you and set bond in any conditions. As the defendant, that is the person charged with a crime, I'm required to advise you of three things. First, you're not required to say anything, and anything you say may be used against you in a criminal proceeding, including one for perjury. Second, you have a right to counsel. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you if they have not been already. Third, you have a right to communicate with your attorney, family, and friends, and if necessary, you'll be provided a reasonable means to do so. To the family, friends, witnesses, and alleged victims, thanks for taking the time to be here. We're grateful for your participation. If you'd like to speak, I'll give you that chance, but anything you say will be under oath and may be used against you in a criminal proceeding for perjury. If you choose to speak, you're required to answer questions from me.
Hey, shout out to Judge Murphy, okay? Judge Murphy, not to be mistaken with the suspect, he making sure you know what's up, point blank, period, okay? Like, for real, that type of shit.
The state attorney, the public defender, and any other attorney representing the parties. Mr. Cardio.
Esta es la lista de causas de primera comparecencia del 13º Circuito Judicial en el Condado de Hillsborough. La ley de Florida requiere que usted sea traído frente a un juez. Dentro de agradecemos su participación.
What I have is page 108.
Si decide hablar, se requiere que responda tanto mis preguntas como las de la Fiscalía, el abogado de oficio y cualquier otro abogado que represente a las partes.
Thank you.
First case that I have is page 108, Rashad Murphy.
Let's get into it.
Present, FRJ.
Good afternoon. For the defense, please.
Donna Perry on behalf of the Public Defender's Office.
Thank you, Ms. Perry. All right.
Well, he got a public defender. That's clear. If we ain't understand nothing else that has been said, he has a public defender. Now he got his glasses on today.
Mr. Murphy, you are charged with one count of premeditated murder in the first degree with the discharge of a firearm, one count of murder in the first degree premeditated, and 3 counts of attempted murder in the first degree. Ms. Massari.
Yes, Your Honor. First, I would like to note that according to the indictment, count 2 is a murder in the first degree under a conspiracy theory.
Okay.
So that just lowers it from a capital offense to a life felony.
Okay.
And now, as to each count,
I mean, I guess, does that mean it takes away like the death penalty and it's just a life term? I think that's what that means. But that's just my opinion. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments.
the state has filed a motion for pretrial detention. I asked for that motion to be set on Tuesday. Yes, on Tuesday morning.
Ms. Perry.
That's fine.
All right. Mr. Murphy, the state has filed a motion for pretrial detention against you on all 5 of the charges in the indictment. That motion is going to be heard on Tuesday, September the 3rd.
September 3rd.
September the 3rd at 10 a.m. in front of Judge Michelle Cisco. That will be Trial Division 1 in Courtroom 10. At that time, we will dispose of the motion. If any part or all the motion is denied, we'll set bail and any conditions of release on the charges against you. Ms. Perry, anything on scheduling or anything else that you need to let me know about?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
Appreciate your time.
Thank you.
Page 93, Rasul Hakim.
Present FRJ.
All right, well, that was that. So basically, they ain't do nothing. Y'all already know. I mean, in my opinion, they definitely gonna deny borrowing. I mean, it's a given, and plus he ran first and foremost. But nevertheless, September 3rd is the next one. I thought September 5th was the arraignment, but maybe, nevertheless, on September 3rd, we'll tap in because long crime has been following the Foolio case. So I'm pretty sure they're going to drop the footage. Now, they may not be live, but they'll drop the footage for us to check out. So with that being said, I got more videos on the way. A couple other rappers have been in court, and we're going to react to it. So with that being said, I'm out for now, but I'll see y'all on the next one. And like I said throughout the video, that's my opinion. And if you don't like it, guess what?
I'm like, fuck yeah. Fuck yeah.
Yo, a lot of y'all haven't hit me up about promo. Well, now's your time. As y'all know, my lives be going crazy these days, okay? And with that being said, if you want to feature your Instagram, your YouTube, your business, whatever you got going on during one of my lives, make sure you tap in with me because starting at $50, you can be in one of my lives. With that being said, wait, before I go, y'all make sure y'all tap in with me to book your slot. A lot of y'all be hitting me up on Instagram and the email wanting to just talk about content, whether you're an up-and-coming content creator or somebody just got questions about cases or whatever. Book your consultation with me now. The information is on the screen. Hey, make sure you get your slot because my slots be filling up fast. People always think they know Mickey Truth. They always think they know my background and everything else. Until one day, a conversation changed everything.
And me and my homegirl, we was chopping it up one day. We was like, girl, why we want to do a story time?
Yo, it's hard to find A1s, let alone from day one. So it's only right that we pop off the right way.
It only makes sense to do it with my day one, Mickey Truth. Yes, we was brought up together back in it. You know what? That's why y'all gotta tap in.
So I had to like cut people off because if you ain't riding like how I'm riding for you,
okay,
you need to go, honey, and that's it.
And that's why all these years later, I always think about like I can still count on my hand the ones that still I consider friends.
We got talking. You had hit me up. You had hit me up, and you was like, "Ride with me," and we went over there to Buddy's house and
and we had wheels. Okay.
When I said we hit that hump, my hand hit the fucking ceiling. We got stories all day.
We gotta do a story time.
If you want to get to know about Yvonne, Miss Underdog Up, this is the episode to watch. If you want to get to know about Mickey Truth, see where she grew up at, what she was about, this is the episode to watch.
All this is the weakest. Give a fuck about what they scream.
Holla!
Shout out Mickey. Mickey, you gonna be big. Like,
yeah,
I'm
trying to conquer the world. Coming from where I come from. They doubted me, but I came up.
This is the weakest. Give a fuck about what they scream.
Holla!
Shout out Mickey. Mickey, you gonna be big. Like,
yeah, I'm trying to conquer the world. Coming from where I come from. They doubted me, but I came up.